That's wonderful. Well, let me know when you're ready.
Well, I'm recording you right now, and I'll let you look at the scope display too while we're at it.
Outstanding. Well, I'm looking at my vector scope, and I'm just about trapezoidal scope. I'm sorry, and I'm just about perfect, right where I need to be, 100%. All right, that's with the processor in. This is a Behringer UltraGraph Pro, and that's with the processor in, and there it is out. This is the standard stock audio from Bauer, which is very good audio. There's nothing wrong with it. And then with the processor back in, which just gives it a little bit of oomph, a little bit more lows, just a few highs to give it some presence. So there it is again with the processor out. There's the processor out and the processor in. And there's with the processor in. This is amateur radio station K6JSI, radio in the sky, the tower of power, with more power directly to you.